Hey guys, it's Camo here, and today I got a little something special for y'all. It's a new series on the Camo YouTube channel called Cooking with Camo. So basically, what we're doing is we're cooking, and I'm Camo. So basically, what I'm going to be doing is I already ate the back straps off my deer, so I can't make a video on that. But what I can do is I've got some deer that's been processed, and we're going to be making some deer burgers out of that. So preferably bacon, if we have bacon. I don't know if I have bacon or not, but I picked up something on Amazon that might improve my videos. Yeah, I got some bubble wrap right here on Amazon. It is this right here. That's pretty cool. You can basically, it just screws in the tree. It's like a camera thing. I can even use my phone for it. So basically I can record with that. Sorry, it's kind of windy out here. But as you can see, I might try it out. You never know, that might be pretty cool. It's by Easy Mount. So I mean, it should be pretty easy for old Camo to use. And as there we go. It's even got the little thing I can record. I can use my phone if I want to record, which I usually do. I just don't like recording with my camera all that much. But anyhow, let's get right into the video. See ya. Right now. Hey guys, it's Camo here. As y'all may have known, I shot a big old deer, and that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be making some deer burgers. As you can see, here are burgers, and they are from deer, yeah. Alright guys.
Here, cut it over there.
Alright, there we go. Whoopsie-doopsie. And here's my meat from quite some time ago. Plop that bad boy right in there. Here's the other one. And this meat has been processed. And there you go. Good to eat it. Just like how it is right here. I am just kidding. That was a joke. I'm going to take it out this little plastic stuff that keeps it in line with being meat. It's still a little bit frozen. Probably still be good. Bad time for your eyes to itch. And there we go. Boy, ooh, I cracked it already open. There we go. This is my first time ever doing deer burgers. But anyhow, there you go, guys. So what I guess I'm going to be doing is mushing it all up, right? Alright. Yes, I am. Now what I'm going to do is you want to mush it all up, boy. You want to get it really firm and juicy. In the middle where it's still frozen a little bit. Ooh, there you go. Unfroze it. Alright, guys. Now there's a little ice cube, basically, of meat. It's very cold meat, guys. This is just chilly. Alright, guys. Now, I guess what I'm going to be doing after this is making it into patty form. Thorough patty form, guys. Not just sort of patty. Okay, guys. Camo here. Again. Thought I was gone. Well, I'm not. So you got this, right? Got this deer. What you're going to want to do, right? Let me just let you in a little Camo secret. You want to patty it up into like a ball. A meat ball, to be in particular. Any size is really up to you. But I mean, that's pretty patty. Alright? Would you consider that a patty?
I'd say it's a patty.
Yeah.
Okay, well, dude, that's a steak burger. Cut it down a little bit.
Alright. Maybe a little bit less burger.
Yeah. Okay, now add more to it.
Alright, like this?
Okay, yeah, now ball it up.
Alright, there you go.
Okay, now put it down up flat on the cutting board there. Clean, right out of the dishwasher. Okay, now smash it down. Boom. Smash it down, okay. Now what you want to do is you want to go around and you want to secure up the corners. Like you got to kind of firm it up around there. You got to do a little bit of firming. Firming is always important whenever you're using meat. And this won't be the only thing I did. I already ate the back straps off the deer. So, I mean, I guess I can't make a video about that because I already ate it.
the day I shot the deer. And there you go, really firm, real succulent meat, very succulent. Alright. Is that good?
Yeah, smash it down a little bit, a little flatter. All right, now go for the next one.
Alright guys, next one, gonna be about the same really. Maybe just a little bit more pattied.
Okay, I stopped.
We're back on the Camo Kasubi YouTube channel. We have a bowl of meat, and since my hands are old deer meaty, I'll have to get my cameraman dad to sprinkle on some of that seasoning. And there's what we have, guys. We're a little low on some ingredients I may need. I have salt. Yeah, everyone loves salt. I have black pepper. I even got minced onion.
Say it again, son.
Alright guys, Camo Kasubi here again. All the meat has been meatalized in patty form, so there you go. Okay guys, now we're getting our grill out. We got the beef right there. And, well, not really beef at all. This is ground venison in burger form. And it might be a little bit crumbly since we didn't use any eggs, but I mean, it should still do the trick. There you go. Smells really good. I bet y'all wish y'all could smell things through the phone that you're watching this on. And there you get the gist. I mean, you supply the burger to the flame, yes. And this is not a charcoal grill. I know a lot of y'all like the whole charcoal-y thing, but it's pretty windy out. So if we were using a charcoal grill, we'd be really out of luck. This is a propane, good old gas grill. There's the gasoline. And here we go. And momentarily, we will have meat. Or, yes, here we go. Alright guys, now it's time to give it a little bit of a flipping. There we go guys. Don't have the best camera quality, but that's some good meat right there, buddy.